10 benefits to doing press-ups daily. Strengthens upper body muscles. Builds and strengthens chest, shoulder, arm, and core muscles. Engages multiple muscle groups. Targets pectorals, triceps, deltoids, and core muscles simultaneously. Improves posture. Strengthens muscles supporting the spine, promoting neutral alignment. Enhances core stability. Activates core muscles, improving stability, balance, and coordination. Increases bone density. Stimulates bone growth and remodeling, preventing osteoporosis. Boosts metabolism. Engages large muscle groups. Increases metabolic rate for calorie burning. Requires minimal equipment. Can be performed anywhere on a flat surface. Improves cardiovascular health. Provides cardiovascular benefits, elevating heart rate and fitness. Enhances functional fitness. Mimics daily activities, improving performance and strength. Mental health benefits. Releases endorphins, boosts mood, reduces stress, and improves well-being. Are you looking for a pre-workout that's big on flavor and big on results? Proven ingredients at optimal amounts for energy, focus, and endurance. 3 great-tasting, fruity flavors used and endorsed by elite athletes. Then click on the link below to find out more.